Hi, JDL Brushes here, and we have a new video. This time we are working on an interior sketch, and yes, so as you can see, the perspective is actually kind of dynamic. Looking at the sketch right now, pardon me. Looking at the sketch right now, I can actually see that the carpet is a little off. I feel like it's supposed. I feel like it's supposed to follow the angle of that couch, of that side part of the couch. So yeah, it definitely is wrong in that regard. But in any case, as you can see, excuse me, Jesus, oh gosh, I'm sorry. I do have a cold again, and I think it's more of a sinus problem. My nose gets easily blocked, so I think it keeps me safe in some way. And it's kind of my immune system that's just, I'm not sure if it's overstimulated or something, but it is kind of annoying, but cute, because I'm like a child in some way. A very sickly child. I mean, not COVID sickly, because nowadays, with this see something, say something culture, I mean, whoa, it is some weird, very communist-y, authoritarian kind of world that we're living in right now. So yeah, so as much as the world is falling apart, and all these agendas are now basically in full mode or full speed, I think we can spend time making art. Gosh, I feel like I'm like that cartoon or that dog kind of cartoon where everything is kind of on fire, and that dog is just, I think it said something like I'm fine or something, and the point is we are all fucked, and I think we should spend time sketching. To have some sense of control in this trying times, right? So my process remains the same. I start with the shadows, or really the sketch, and then I work on the shadows on multiply mode, after which I work on the colors in a different batch of layers, also under multiply mode. For the shadows, I do some kind of edit at the very end where I change or increase the contrast of shadows. And for the colors, I do, as you can see me do now, change up the colors with the color balance adjustment approach. And with that, specifically choosing the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights or high tones or something like that. And I basically pick the right colors that I feel would be right. So yeah, I think this kind of system is super efficient, and hopefully you do spend time actually making the initial sketch, line sketch, well done, so you can actually enjoy the rendering process, albeit it will take more time to actually render more complex sketches, but yeah. And by the way, I do end the rendering, as I do with most renderings, with some kind of white stuff or white highlights. So whichever your art, whatever your tool, make it beautiful. Oh, Jesus, my nose is so clogged. Bye.